Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report.
New head coach at Arnett Gardens, Phillip Williams, says he's excited to get things going as the Junglists start preparation for the defense of their CONCACAF Caribbean Club Shield. Williams had stints at Tivoli Gardens and Portmore United.
I mean, apart from the history of winning and their style of play, which matches how I think my team should be playing, definitely coaching at the highest level, Arnett would present the opportunity for me to continue my coaching career. And I mean, to be given the opportunity at such an illustrious club is one that you cannot pass on.
He also believes it will be a seamless transition after the club mutually parted ways from Xavier Gilbert.
They have a history of winning and the structure is already here. All I'm doing is just adding to the structure in terms of my knowledge, and definitely it's a continuation. I think they're on the right path. It's just for me to, in my capacity, to continue the projection that they are on.
They will play Dublin FC in the first game of the Caribbean Club Shield on July 27. The West Indies women will be looking to clinch the T20 series when they take on South Africa in the third and final game at the 3Ws Oval in Barbados on Monday. West Indies women leveled the series on Sunday 1-1 after a 6-wicket win. Batting first, the South Africa women struggled in their innings as at one point they were 71 for 5. Captain Laura Vovart, 16, and Tasman Brits, 14, got the visitors off to a stable start as they put up 30 runs for the first wicket. But once the partnership was broken, South Africa quickly slipped to 40 for 3. Nadine de Klerk tried to rebuild the innings with a subdued 20 from 24 balls, but the South Africans kept losing wickets at crucial times as they were 79 for 6 after 15 overs. Anne-Marie Dickerson with a top score of 21 and Karabou Mesu, 14, posted an unbroken 34-run 7th wicket stand, the best of the innings, as they posted 113 for 6 from their 20 overs. Afi Fletcher and Karishma Ramarak claimed 2 wickets each for the Windies. The Windies women started off their run chase brightly, with Kiana Joseph and Captain Hayley Matthews sharing in a 41-run first wicket partnership. But when Joseph went for 7, the familiar West Indian collapse ensued as they lost 4 wickets for 36 runs, including Jamaican Chanel Henry for 3. However, Matthews, who will be spending some time on the sidelines due to surgery, carried the Caribbean women over the line as she top scored with an unbeaten 63. With them needing 2 from just 5 deliveries, Janelia Glasgow, who ended on 15, finished it off in style with a boundary as they got to their target at 116 for 4 with 4 balls left. Nonkululeko Mlaba got 2 wickets for 17 runs for the South Africans. And finally, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander capped off a dominant season as he led the Oklahoma City Thunder to the NBA championship after beating the Indiana Pacers in Game 7 of the finals on Sunday. The Canadians scored 29 points and had 12 assists in their 103-91 success over the Indiana Pacers in Oklahoma to clinch the series 4-3, the first time since 2016 that the finals had gone to a deciding 7th game. He was named the NBA Finals MVP to add to his regular season MVP award and scoring title, just the 4th player and the first since Shaquille O'Neal to achieve the rare treble in one season. It's the Thunder's first title since the franchise moved to Oklahoma City from Seattle in 2008 after Seattle won the 1979 crown. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that concludes our midday news. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.